welcome back. Now, it's possible you may already have a website. You're now looking at a WordPress website. Email sending services give you an option of being able to place a form on your existing website so that website visitors will be able to see a place where they can sign up for your email marketing list. In the case of WordPress, you'll typically place this form on a sidebar where you can control what is called a widget. And you'll see here in the widget that there is a set of code that says begin MailChimp signup form. And as a sample, you're going to see that signup form here in this area. And so basically on every page of our site, we're going to have an area that we created in MailChimp to collect names and email addresses. But to place that form from our MailChimp account, we'll need to get the signup code. We'll need to get the signup code. Now in MailChimp, there's a section for sign-up forms. And you can see here that there's a section for what are called embedded forms. This is where we can generate HTML code to embed in our site or our blog to collect signups. And so basically it's here where we can customize our form. Once we complete it, we can then click Continue. We're then going to see code that our email sending service gives us. We're going to copy that code. And we're going to go to the widget area. We're not going to replace the code. We're then going to update the site. And you'll notice now that our form is in the widget area that we just created inside of our email sending service account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.